Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set order status for downloadable product to processing for all payment gateway we have in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our downloadable product. Now go to edit product and then you see downloadable option enable. Now back to product. First we are going to place order without custom code. So click on add to cart and then click on proceed to checkout. So we are in checkout page and then we select direct bank transfer, enable this option and place order. Now order received done. Go to order section in WooCommerce and refresh the page. And then you see this is a new order direct bank transfer for downloadable product. And then you see order status on hold. So we are going to set order status for all payment gateway for downloadable product to processing. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to change order status for all payment gateway we have to processing for downloadable product only. So this is our digital product and then in code we are going to get product ID and then you see is downloadable. If found true, then update status processing. So scroll down, you see inside method auto install location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page again and we are going to place order again. So this is our downloadable product, so click on add to cart and then click on proceed to checkout. So we are in checkout page. So this is our downloadable product. So you can select any payment gateway like direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery, credit card, Stripe, PayPal. So we are going to set order status for all payment gateway we have to processing. If you select any, now enable this option and then click on place order. Now order received done. Go to order section in WooCommerce and refresh the page. Before order status on hold. And then you see this is a new order for downloadable product and then you see order status processing. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.